Some more fresh snow on top of Mount Shasta from yesterday. Clouds have been clearing out here late today for much of the region, especially west of the Cascades. Still a lot of cloud cover on the east side. Some returns showing up on the radar, but this rainfall not really reaching the ground in most instances. If anything, it's just a few sprinkles. Temperatures this hour at 63 degrees in Medford, 62 for you folks in Eagle Point, 61 in Cave Junction, as well as Brookings and Port Orford. Down in Northern California, 56 degrees in Mount Shasta, at 62 in Montague, and east of the Cascades, temperatures in the 50s for most spots, 55 in Paisley, and it's 55 degrees right now in Klamath Falls. Tonight, it will be pretty chilly. We're going to see more of these clouds moving out for the most part, so expect partly cloudy to mostly clear skies. Lows falling down into the upper 30s in Northern California, down into the lower to middle 30s for the east side. Some spots could even drop down into the 20s, down to 46 in Medford and 52 degrees in Brookings. It will be dry tonight and then into a chunk of tomorrow, but the next storm system is on the way. It will bring rain, but it will also bring some stronger winds to the region, and we are concerned about that, especially for the coast and then the higher terrain of the east side, including the Summer Lake area. We have high wind warnings that have been posted. Winds will pick up first, though, for the coast, where we could see some gusts out of the south up to 60 miles per hour and up to as high as 75 miles per hour for some of those higher terrain areas of the east side. We also have wind advisories for more portions of the east side at some lower elevations, and then also for the Rogue and Shasta valleys, where some gusts could be as high as 45 to 50 miles per hour. Winds, especially from Medford to Point South through Ashland, could see those southeast gusts as high as 45 miles per hour later tomorrow, especially as we move into the evening. So winds will pick up. A chunk of the day will be dry, but wet weather will start to move in from west to east, first for the coast as we move into the afternoon. Ahead of this system, some milder temperatures above average, up to 70 in Medford, 63 in Klamath Falls, and up to 68 degrees in Wairika. So the timing on the rain for west side valleys, much of Northern California and along the Cascades, we're going to see this start to move in as we move into Wednesday evening, especially, late Wednesday afternoon and then on into the Wednesday evening hours, and then pushing later into the night as we move east of the Cascades. Here's a look at Stormcast. You'll be able to see this a lot better. Tomorrow in the morning, most of the region pretty quiet. Here comes the rain mid to about late afternoon for the coast and Curry County. It spreads inland as we head through your Wednesday evening. Some of this rain could be moderate to heavy, especially for the coast and the coastal mountains. And then wet weather continues as we head into Thursday with widespread showers. Things start to taper off, though, later in the day and then on into Thursday evening. As far as rainfall amounts go, highest totals coast and coastal mountains upwards of 1 to as much as 3 inches or more of rainfall as possible. But notice some lighter amounts for the Rogue and Shasta valleys and the east side. But still going to see some wet weather, and there's much more wet weather on the way with a series of storm systems impacting our region as we head through the rest of the week and then into the weekend. Some of that rain will be moderate to heavy at times for the coast. Northern California, winds cranking up tomorrow, rain pushing in the evening and then into the night. Notice those cooler temperatures later in the week and then into the weekend. For the Klamath Basin, some strong winds, especially tomorrow night on into Thursday. That's when we'll see the strongest winds for the east side. Also when we'll see some of that precipitation work in for the Cascades and the Siskiyous. Snow levels still staying rather high. They'll drop a little bit on Thursday, but mainly our higher peaks just going to see snow. Snow levels do look a bit lower with these systems this weekend into next week. And then for the Rogue Valley, warm and windy tomorrow, but definitely trending cooler and wetter for the rest of the work week.
It's really great to hear more rain and stuff heading our way. Thanks very much.